Hey guys, today I have a Lights Lacquer haul, which I'm very excited about. I love Lights Lacquer, I do, but their shipping time is horrific. It just takes so long to get here. I don't know why. I feel like maybe it's been so long since I've ordered stuff from America, like I just forgot. I feel like most days, like most things I order nowadays are from like Australian sites, so anyway, the first thing that I got were this little set, and this is called the After Party set. So it comes with 3 shades. We have City of Stars, something that I can't pronounce, and Dirty Dancing. But this is the packaging here. Looks stunning. First shade that we have is called City of Stars, and it's this beautiful, like, just kind of classic silvery shade with, like, you know, the rainbow glitters and stuff in it. It looks absolutely stunning. I love the smell of nail polish. Oh, that one went right up my nose though. Whew. But yeah. So yeah, that's our first shade in this little set. Then we have this one. I'm going to try and say it. It's like Velours Vols. It's in a different language, I'm pretty sure. This one is beautiful. This is kind of like a white, like pearly shade with like kind of like holographic shimmers and like reflect. I don't know, it's real pretty. I'm really excited to put that one on the nails. I feel like that's going to be really stunning. And then the last shade of this little set is called Dirty Dancing, and this one is so cool as well. This has like thicker, chunkier glitter in it, but this is like another silver shade, and yeah, it's got like kind of silvery, chunky like glitters in it. I don't know, it's real pretty though. So that is the first little set thing that we got. The next one we got was the New Year's Eve collection, and this is called the Give Me the Night, and this is the packaging of this one. This is actually what I have on my nails at the moment, and this is the packaging, and I've filmed a review. It should be out after this, but yeah, this is the New Year's Eve collection. So the first shade we have is called After Midnight. It's like this black polish. It has like rainbow glitters in it. Then we have this like beautiful, like, oh, it's just stunning. It reminds me of those like dresses that were real popular, like the brown kind of like satin silky dresses. It's really pretty. It's like this beautiful like metallic shade, and that is the ones that is on like these, no it's not, sorry, these nails here. And then the other shade we have is called Super Freak, and that's the one that's on like my index. And is that your index finger? Is that your index finger? I don't know. Anyway, it's on like your ring finger. It's on my ring finger, and this one, stunning. And that's this one here, and I love this shade. It's actually so pretty. I'm like looking at this polish, and I'm like kind of mesmerized by it. It's stunning. And then we also have these little gems. They came in this little box here, and these were just called the Give Me the Night gems, and they look like this. Oh, you can't really see. It's kind of hard to. But they're like these beautiful little gems, and they come with like, there's like pinky, bronzy, silvery, purpley shades. And I've also got them on this finger here today as well. Then the next one that we got was the birthday collection, which I'm so excited about. So this was like her birthday and like Lights Lacquer's birthday collection. I think it was their 4th birthday. And this is like the 444 collection, because I'm guessing, yeah, obviously for like their 4th birthday. How cute is the packaging on this? So cute. First shade that we have is like this beautiful like light pink, like light baby pink shade, and it's called Easy Bake. How pretty is that? It's just so cute. So that's the first shade. Then we have the next one called this is called Birthday Wishes. This is like a metallic dress, a metallic purple. This is the same as that like brown shade, except it's purple. It's like, it looks like one of those dresses again. It's so pretty. I love that. I feel like this collection, like when you put them all together, like it's just gonna look so pretty on the nails. And then the last one they have is called Angel Baby, and this is like a kind of like pearly pink shade, like little silvery glitters in it. So stunning. It's got like a purple reflect through it. I just think this collection is so, oh my god, so cute. I love it. So these are like the little, like just as a little set, do they not look so cute? I don't know. I think they're just stunning. I'm so excited. I'm getting quite a little collection going of my Lights Lacquer things. Then we also have some nail charms in this collection as well. These ones are stunning. So cool. These like bigger ones. And we have like purple, blue, pink. But like they're like different shades of them. Like we have some like deep purple, but then we also have some like lavender purple. It's so, I don't know if you're going to be able to see them, but they're absolutely stunning. So pretty. And then the last thing that I ordered was the little Valentine's Day collection, which was so cute. It's called The Sweetest Thing, I think. Oh, I also ordered one of these things because apparently it's like, it helps with the nail tattoos. I don't know what that is, but I'm guessing that's like something. But this is, yeah, like, it's like one of these little, I don't know how you use it. It's like a little stampy thing. So you like put it in here. I think. Is mine broken or is it meant to come like detached? I don't know what the go is. But anyway, it's like this little stampy thing, and like this is how you pick up like the nail tattoos and stuff apparently. With one of these. So I'm going to have to like look into some tutorials and see how to do the nail tattoos. But anyway, the last collection I got was this Sweetest Thing collection, and yeah, this was their Valentine's Day one. So we have a little duo, and I think this packaging is like some of my favourite. It's so pretty. We have two shades in here. So we have this red shade, and this is called Razzle Red. And it's just real pretty and cute. And then we've got this one. This is called Awfully Romantic, and it's like this like see-through like pinky shade, and it's got little hearts in it and little glitters, and I just think it's so stunning, and I cannot wait to use that. I'm so excited for that one. And then it also came with these beautiful little nail art tattoos. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these out. They look like that. So cute! And I think that was everything. Was it? Yeah, that was everything I got. They did send me this cute little sticker over. They sent me this little like card thingy. And then I also got this little sticker which I thought was real cute. They must have sent it for like the Valentine's Day collection. I don't know, I just feel like it's really sweet. Yeah, that was everything I got. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. I'm so excited to try out these polishes. Like, I've really been getting into nails. I've never been a nail girly, but lately I've just really been getting into them. So, mind you, I feel like these shades are so similar. This is one that I already have. It's called By the Fireplace. Actually, maybe this one's like a bit more like, I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.